Most financial experts want you to believe that investing is risky. What the Rich Dad Company says, investing is not risky. What is risky is not improving your financial intelligence or your financial IQ, having no financial education. So let me give you a few examples. There's two basic types of investors. One is fundamental. I would say Warren Buffett is a fundamental investor. That's income, expense, assets, liabilities. Most people, since they can't read a financial statement, really don't understand the fundamentals. That's what the cash flow game teaches people, is how to be fundamentals. We all know markets go up and markets go down. Markets go up and markets go down. So the reason the average person thinks investing is risky is because prices go up and then they lose everything. The reason investing is risky is that to be a professional investor, whether it's fundamental or technical, is you have to use insurance. Look, ladies and gentlemen, you do not drive a car without insurance. You don't buy a house without insurance. Yet the average person putting their money in a stock or a mutual fund or a bond, they don't have insurance. That's what's risky. If you're going to be a professional investor, you have to understand markets go up and down. That's not news. But when markets are up, you buy an insurance policy here in case it goes down. For some people, that's called a put. Or you can put a stop. In real estate, my banker requires me to have disaster insurance. So the point here, ladies and gentlemen, is that investing is not risky. It's taking advice from people who don't know what they're talking about a lot of the time, or people who don't sell you the insurance. That's risky. To put yourself in a stock or a mutual fund without insurance is absolutely risky. It's no more sense than buying a car and not having insurance. So ladies and gentlemen, investing is not risky. Being financially not sophisticated, not educated, and taking advice from people who also believe investing is risky is the riskiest part of investing. And that's what makes the Rich Dad Company different.